Hi guys, this is Niella, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to revamp your old wigs and also how to customize your closure as well. So guys, if you want to see me revamp this wig from this to that, please keep watching, and you know the freaking deal. If you're yet to subscribe, click the bell button while you're subscribing, and let's get on with this video. So guys, I already placed my wig on the mannequin stand, on the mannequin bed. Just put it that way, and so I'm going to be using coconut oil. I'm going to be using a ribbon brush. I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb as well. I'm going to be using some bobby pins and my 2-in-1 hair straightener and tonga. So this is the straightener and this is the coiler or tonga. I'm going to be using leave-in conditioner. This is from Cantu and it's their leave-in conditioner in shea butter. I'm going to be using the needle to pat my closure. So guys, the first thing I want to do is to pat my closure. I don't know if you can see. So it's not really customized per se, so I'm going to be customizing my closure with this needle. So I'm going to be patting it. Guys, I already patted with a needle. I'm going to be using a tweezer. You have to be really careful about this so you don't plug into the hair. You have to hold on to your hair. You have to hold on to the weave. Because I want it to be, I want the parts to be a bit obvious. So I had to tweeze some part of my closure. You have to be really careful while you're doing this, so you don't end up patting your closure and it will look like reds. It will look like when Moses patted the reds. It's coming out well. So you can see how neat it is. So I'm going to as you can see from the tip of my wig, it's really tangled and scruffy. So I'm going to be using a pair of scissors to just trim off the tip. I'm going to be brushing this heel to ensure that there are no knots in between. I'm going to use one of my bobby pins just to hold down this side of conditioner. I'm going to take my conditioner just this much, and my coconut oil just this much as well. I'm going to mix both and apply to this side of my hair. Ensure that it gets to every part of the hair. Started taking the hair layer by layers. So I'm going to straighten the hair first. You can see how straightened the hair looks. Remember, I took one part of the hair and I parted it into two. So I'm going to be taking the remaining part of the hair and I'm going to be straightening this as well. So I'm virtually going to do this to the rest of the hair on camera, and I'll come back to show you the finished treatment. Guys, I'm sorry, I thought I was recording, but I realized that I wasn't recording this clip at all. My hair looks after straightening it. So you can see how it looks now from before. So I'm going to... Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you with this other part of the hair. So I'm going to be taking it. It depends on you. You can start from the tip and you start to coil, but I prefer to start from the root of the hair, then I coil. If it's the one that is like a tongue, then you can go inward and outward. So this one I am going outwards and I am stretching the hair into the coiler and I am coiling this in. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And I make sure the tip gets into the hair. Then I leave the coiler for a few seconds so that it holds, it grabs, it curls the hair just like this. For the rest of the hair. So I'm just going to pat like a generous amount of hair, and I'll take that part and divide it into two. If you want your curls to be thinner than this, then you will have to pat like layers by layers. But I don't want to pat by layers by layers. I don't want to pat the hair or curl the hair layer by layers. So I'm just going to... The main reason why I straightened the hair was to get the hair in a very fine and smooth, how would I put it? In a fine and a smooth, I don't want to use surface, but hair is not a surface. I just wanted the hair to be fine and smooth. so that it will be easier for me to curl. So I'm going to be unraveling this as well. Taking the one. So guys, I'm going to coil the rest of the hair off camera and I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to loosely pack this hair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and I will see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead, guys.